Hello, this is Cyprian Estenberg from VTS Technology Department with a new episode of the VTS New Implementation R&D News. Today we will introduce you our latest improvements applied to electric heaters of our Ventus air handling units. As it turns out, something as simple as electric heater may be technologically advanced and smart, so keep watching. Electric heaters of large capacity. Typically, electric heaters are sized to the air handling units in terms of their physical dimensions. They are simply fitted to cross-section of the unit so they can be easily accommodated inside. But what about the performance of the heater in relation to the actually required heating capacity? In the field of capacity, electric heaters are usually strongly oversized to the actual needed heating demand. Why? Simply because they are always designed for certain size of air handling unit, assuming its maximum airflow rate together with its maximum air temperature gain. So, even all you need is, let's say, 20% of the total heater's output power, you still have to pay for the remaining 80%. Furthermore, you must apply power supplying cables for 100% of the capacity, also the circuit breakers and other auxiliary equipment on the main side. Needless to say, if all you need is only smart part of the heater's nominal capacity, a question comes, why do I have to overpay for the capacity I'm never gonna use? Tailor-made heater. How to fit the capacity of the electric heater up to your needs, or maybe better to say down to your needs. How to guarantee that your heater's nominal capacity will be equal to your heating demand or will be very close to it. Some would say to design the heater from the scratch and to fit it perfectly to the heating capacity demand, so it would be sized exactly to what is needed. Possible, of course, but there is a one bad side of this solution. Making a design of each heater individually would make you wait for the air handling unit for long weeks, not to mention the price. To solve this problem, we have invented a system of easy-to-tailor electric heaters, a system of heating slices. This is our new design of electrical heater, which, depending on the heating capacity, may consist of 1, 2, or even 3 heating stages. We call them slices. By increasing the number of high heating slices, we can easily increase the heating capacity by relatively small intervals. Thanks to such approach, each of the heater can be factory sized for 33, 66 or 100% of its maximum output power. Heating capacity, a final tuning. Applying various number of slices is not all we can do to set the best capacity of our heaters. The other thing is to choose the best power supply mode. Thanks to the fact that all electric heaters we use in our air handling units are three-phase, we have an option to toggle them between delta or star power supply mode. Flexible heating capacity configuration. So both of the methods, applying of minimum required power slices and setting the power supply mode, allow us to configure each of the electric heater precisely to actually needed heating output. But how do we know what is the required heating output of each heater we produce? Simply from the information included in the air handling unit selection from our ClimaCAD online selecting tool. From the selection, we know the size of the air handling unit, its nominal airflow and required heating capacity. Having this bundle of information, we know everything to tailor your electric heater. Heater with integrated controls. A perfectly configured electric heater is also a perfect control system, capable to give you precisely as much of heating as your ventilation system needs at the moment. Specially for this, we applied advanced solution to the heater's junction box, which are capable to adjust the current heating capacity smoothly and precisely. Solid-state relay. The solid-state relay can adjust the heating capacity by means of supplying current phase modulation. This method makes that the output power of the electric heater is always precisely set. When more and more heating is required, the heating elements light more intensively and keep your air at required temperature. Heater protection solutions. Our new electric heaters integrated with the controls are self-sufficient in terms of the safety of operations. If you take a look inside the junction box, you will find a factory installed differential pressure switch connected to the air handling unit's fan section. If there is no pressure difference sensed up and downstream the fan, the heater's control understands it as a lack of airflow and immediately shuts the heater down. Casing standard option. Depending on your preferences, our new smart electric heaters can be applied to the air handling unit as a fully inbuilt into the unit's casing or as a ducted one. Let's say it again. The new electric heaters you meet in our air handling units hire the finest technical solution in the field of capacity configuration and adjustment. Equipped with their own control system based on solid-state relays, are designed for precise air heating at the lowest possible cost. We hope you've enjoyed our today's video. If so, please share it to your friends interested in latest solutions applied to our technical products. And keep tracking our YouTube channels for more movies about our recently applied innovations. So, thank you so much. See you next time.